Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Hello to all our listeners around the world.
Today, we have a very useful and interesting topic.
Yes, this is something everyone does every day.
Exactly. Today, we are talking about daily routines.
Our topic is talk about daily routines for a better life.
Daily routines are the small things we do every day.
Like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work, or studying.
When we have good routines, our life can feel easier.
And sometimes even happier.
But before we start, Mia, how was your day today?
My day is good, Alex. I woke up early today.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like quiet mornings.
What did you do after you woke up?
First, I drank a glass of water.
That is a healthy start.
Then I made some coffee.
Coffee in the morning is always nice.
Yes, and I also ate toast with butter.
That sounds like a simple and good breakfast.
What about you, Alex? How was your morning?
My morning was a little funny.
Funny? Why?
I woke up late today.
Oh no.
Yes, my alarm rang, but I turned it off and went back to sleep.
I think many people do that.
When I woke up again, I looked at the clock and said, "Oh no."
That happens to me sometimes too.
But I quickly got ready and started my day.
That is good.
So, Mia, do you think daily routines are important?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because routines help us organize our day.
That's true.
When we know what to do, we feel calm.
And we waste less time.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about daily routines in English.
This will help our listeners speak about their day.
Let's start with a simple question.
Alex, what is your daily routine?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That sounds nice.
After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good start.
Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds tasty.
After breakfast, I drink coffee.
Coffee again.
Yes, I really like coffee.
I can see that.
After that, I start working.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I do.
That must be comfortable.
It is, but sometimes I miss talking to people.
That makes sense.
What about your daily routine, Mia?
My routine is a little different.
Tell us.
I wake up early, around 6 a.m.
Earlier than me.
Yes, I like to start the day slowly.
What do you do first?
I open the window and take a deep breath.
That sounds peaceful.
Then I stretch my body.
Stretching is good for health.
Yes, it helps me wake up.
Then what?
Then I drink tea and read a few pages of a book.
That sounds like a calm morning.
It really is.
Listeners, you can also talk about your routine like this.
Use simple sentences.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Or I drink coffee in the morning.
These simple sentences are perfect for beginners.
Now, let's share a small story.
Yes, stories help us learn better.
I have a friend named Sarah.
What about Sarah?
Sarah had a very messy routine.
What do you mean?
She woke up late every day.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, she skipped breakfast.
Oh no.
And she was always late for work.
That must be difficult.
One day, she decided to change.
What did she do?
She made a simple routine.
Like what?
Wake up early,
Good start.
eat breakfast,
Very important.
and prepare things the night before.
That is smart.
After 1 week, she felt much better.
That shows how routines help our life.
Yes, small habits can make a big difference.
Now let's teach some useful phrases.
Phrase number 1, I wake up at.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Phrase number 2, I usually.
Example, I usually drink coffee.
Phrase number 3, after that.
Example, after that, I go to work.
These phrases help you describe your day.
Now we want to hear from our listeners.
Yes,
Alex, in the comments, write, "Hello, Alex and Mia."
this helps you practice writing English.
And we love reading your comments.
Now, let's talk about something funny.
Oh yes, I have a funny story.
Tell us.
One morning, I tried to start a healthy routine.
That sounds good.
I woke up early and said, "Today I will exercise."
Very healthy.
I put on my running shoes.
Then what happened?
I sat on the sofa for a minute.
Just 1 minute?
Yes, but then I fell asleep again.
That is very funny.
When I woke up, I said, okay, maybe tomorrow.
Many people can understand that moment.
Yes, starting a routine can be hard.
But we can try again every day.
Exactly.
Now let's share some practical tips for better daily routines.
Tip number 1. Wake up at the same time every day.
This helps your body feel balanced.
Tip number 2. Eat a healthy breakfast.
Breakfast gives you energy.
Tip number 3. Plan your day.
Write a small list of things to do.
Tip number 4. Take short breaks.
Breaks help your mind relax.
These small habits can improve your life.
Now let's practice another example conversation.
Good idea.
Mia, what do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually cook dinner.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you cook?
Sometimes pasta, sometimes rice and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
After dinner, I watch a movie or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you, Alex?
In the evening, I like to take a walk.
Walking is very good.
Yes, it helps me relax after work.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read a book.
That is a nice habit.
Reading helps my mind calm down.
Now, let's do a quick recap.
Today, we talked about daily routines.
We learned how to describe our day.
We used simple phrases like,
I wake up at.
I usually.
After that,
These phrases help you speak clearly.
we also shared a story and a funny moment.
And we gave tips for a better routine.
Remember, routines help us live a better life.
Even small habits can help a lot.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes, it is your turn to practice.
What is your daily routine?
Write 2 or 3 sentences in the comments.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Very simple and clear.
We will read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this conversation helped you practice English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We share simple English conversations every week.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And remember,
English can be easy and fun.
see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.